guys, welcome back to I Betcha Didn't Know. My name is Aaminah and here are 10 incredible facts about Quaid-e-Azam I Betcha Didn't Know. Let's go! Quaid-e-Azam had a high sense of fashion. It is said that he never wore the same tie twice in a courtroom. Even on his deathbed, he insisted on being dressed formally. In 1896, Quaid was the youngest Indian to pass the law examination in England. He was the only Muslim barrister in Bombay while he was only 20 years of age. At one point, he seriously tried a career switch and even joined a theatre group in London. However, after his father's insistence, he gave up and resumed his law practices. At the time, Jinnah was one of the top-earning barristers, making around 1,500 rupees a day. However, he refused to accept large salaries and cut down to 1 rupee per month when Pakistan was created. One of the largest streets in the Turkish capital, Ankara, is named after Jinnah. Despite choosing Urdu as the national language of Pakistan, Jinnah could not speak or write in Urdu fluently. He was fluent in English and KUTCHI. Quaid-e-Azam married a Parsi woman who converted to Islam to marry him. Before he was known as Muhammad Ali Jinnah, his name was MUHAMMADALI JINNAHBHAI. He changed his name when he went to study in England. Jinnah's energy, integrity, and logical thinking made him the perfect spokesman for Muslims in India. He did not have many personal contacts besides his sister, Fatima Jinnah, and his daughter. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for a bunch of new things I bet you didn't know.
There's always something new at ToffeeTV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com